Hi guys, so we are at Keymer level crossing in E.Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting.
Joe thought, oh, Garrick Express. So look at that skirt over there. Oh, hang on, wait, where's the broken skirt? That's had like a third of it taken out. Oh, could it be this one that was damaged? No? Oh, no.
There we go, and the time is
Dan's got a black
11:28 on Tuesday the 25th of October 2016. This is for your 11, slightly delayed at 11:25, pretty sure I need to go back on the timetable again. This will be for your slightly delayed 11:29, 1 Foxtrot 23 Southern service from Eastbourne to London Victoria.
That'll be coming from that way.
I was close to missing the amber then, so I didn't see it.
Coming from that side.
So which way?
That way.
Right.
This is an earlier barrier than all of these. These barriers, this is an early barrier than all of these.
Yeah, that one looks way older.
Yeah, it is. It's like soot. Yeah, this is what Cookbridge have. It's got a metal skirt as well.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
I won't.
Don't touch the skirt. Jeez, that's it. Yeah, don't touch the skirt.
Do they? I'm not. Do they go through here fast?
Not very. Yeah, see, look, I just touched the skirt. You should just put my hand on it. It's got dirty. So, I think they might have fixed it where they've taken a third of the skirt's been taken out.
Yeah.
Look, she comes.
Yeah. 377 377 403. to London Victoria, and up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.